JapanesePage.com, beginning Japanese phrases.
This week's word is
一緒に
which means together, as in, let's study Japanese together. Repeat after the speaker.
一緒に一緒に一緒に
This very common phrase has two potential pitfalls for foreign speakers. First, remember that there is a small tsu. Second, the sho is short and not long. Let's hear an example sentence.
昨日は子供たちと一緒に裏庭の掃除をしました。とても暑かったです。
Yesterday, I cleaned the backyard with my children. It was very hot.
昨日は子供たちと一緒に裏庭の掃除をしました。とても暑かったです。
Here is the same sentence slowed down. Try to shadow the speaker by repeating a second after the Japanese.
昨日は子供たちと一緒に裏庭の掃除をしました。とても暑かったです。
And one more time at regular speed.
昨日は子供たちと一緒に裏庭の掃除をしました。とても暑かったです。
Do you remember what
一緒に
means? Together. Now, let's break this sentence down.
昨日は
As for yesterday,
子供たちと
children with,
一緒に
together,
裏庭の
backyards,
掃除を
cleaning,
しました。
did,
とても
very,
暑かったです。
was hot. Here it is two more times. Try to mimic the speaker's sounds and rhythm.
昨日は子供たちと一緒に裏庭の掃除をしました。とても暑かったです。昨日は子供たちと一緒に裏庭の掃除をしました。とても暑かったです。それじゃあまたね。